Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix message notification not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search SMS app from here. Click on SMS app. If you want to fix this problem, so force stop SMS app and click on force stop. After force stop, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on battery and power saving. Click on power saving, scroll down to end and turn off sleep mode. After turn off sleep mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. Click on do not disturb and make sure turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix message notification not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.